Hey guys, so we're at it again today. We are in beautiful Manor Park, the business center, and we have a delivery for you. And we're with one of our longtime favorites, Peter Gay. Hiding, watch her hiding. Well, let her hide because she says she won't do it here. We don't really care, we take her anyhow. So we have your package for you, and I know you love us, but what else do you want to say about our service?
I really enjoy the service because you can deliver to me. You're very flexible in terms of the delivery,
Right.
and you work around my time. I'm very busy, so that works well for me.
That works well for you?
Yes.
So you like the fact that you don't have to walk in a store to collect your package?
Exactly.
You hear that? She don't have to walk in a store to collect the package. She love when we take it to her like
Exactly.
boom, just like that.
Yes.
Convenient
You work with my
all the time.
schedule.
Her
Excellent.
schedule, and that is what we want to do for you as well. We want to work with your schedule all day, every day. Well, most days, so we can get your package to you on time, all the time. For those of you guys that are that is already customers of ours, remember, invite your friends and family to be a part of this family as well. Let them enjoy the benefits. Let them come. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. See ya.